What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently golden evening, actually night? This was literally the only time I had to work on this car because yeah, I couldn't do it when my car was when it was in the daytime because I literally had to work. And so you remember when I told you guys that my car was bad, or that my wheel bearing was bad, and then I was like, ooh, that it was my nuts, lug nuts that needed fixing? Well, yes, that was the case for the rear wheel. But I noticed a sound that was coming from the front wheel, and I think it's also the wheel bearing for real this time, because my wheel will be shaking when I'm driving, and there's the weird sound. It's like, but I'm not sure I did that correctly. But anyway, we're gonna be taking off the wheel bearing on the front right corner, and we're gonna be changing it. So let's just get it done in 3, 2, 1, boom! Look at that! Oh yeah! And if we can see, if I shake it. Can you guys listen to that sound? And I can see the wheel, the thingy in there, moving as well. While I'm working on that as well, Elliot, my golden roommate, is also working on his car. Because both our cars are bad. Oh, say hi, Elliot.
Hello, fellow YouTube. I am working on car. The AC compressor is broken. I am trying to pull it out. I do not have a lot of car experience, but we're doing our best, and Elvis is helping a lot, so it's good.
Nah, I'm actually not doing anything. But literally, look, he literally has a whole manual, a whole book of how to fix the car. So I think I need to get this for my 370 because this is so cool. And it literally tells you everything step by step. So how far have we gone?
So we got all of the electrical bits taken out. Now I'm just pulling the last 2 bolts.
And we're golden.
And then hopefully we can just drop it out the bottom.
Oh, thank God. Another snap for the wheel to come off. 3, 2, 1, boom! The wheel is off. So now we're behind the brake caliper. There's one nut there. There's one on the top there as well. And so, according to what I read, after taking out the other one, then I'm supposed to take out this golden 12mm. Oh my, oh, that hurt, oh. And then I'm removing this guy. Oh yeah. I'm going to be using my bolt, but I'm too ghetto, and I love using my fingers. Oh, that hurts. Oh. So how that's done, the next part is picking up these guys. But now, oh yeah, that's heavy crap, that's heavy. There's 4 bolts that I need to take out, and that's pretty much it. So now they're behind the wheel. I'll show you guys, but one is here, one is here, one is on tour at the bottom. So I'll show you guys from my perspective. So after trying for 15 years, literally it's the next morning, I finally got this stupid part off. And now the next thing is pretty much the reverse engineering the process and just fit the new one there. So I'll just do that in golden time lapse. Oh yeah. There it is. No, today I'm gonna reach you, baba. Hopefully I don't drop it and break it. Oh yeah. Oh, that hurt. That actually really hurt. Yeah. Golden brake pads. And oh yeah. Boom. Brake calipers. Right now it is like 2 a.m. in the morning. I have work at like 8, 9 a.m.-ish. And I pretty much don't have brakes on any of them. And my plan right now is to change all the brake pads / brake calipers. And so this is an amazing disaster. Look at the size of these things. Oh my gosh. And without further ado, we're just gonna start this as fast as possible because I'm extremely tired and I need to go to bed really bad.
It's like 4 a.m. I'm still here on one freaking brake. Oh my gosh, I'm done. I am just done.
Look at that. It looks so good. So it's like 4:30 a.m. right now, and I've literally been up all night. Yeah, 4:32 a.m. Look at it if you think I'm kidding. But I've been up all night, and I did just the 2 front ones. I was having some problems here and there, and it was just... But I'm extremely tired, and I have work at 8 a.m. in the morning, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I still need to test the brakes to see if they work. So I'm gonna take it slow, drive it to here. Then if it works that way, or if it doesn't work, I pull the handbrake. But if it works, I take it out on the street just a little bit. Now it's time to pray that everything works. Please God, please God. So I'm braking slowly just to be sure everything is okay. Sit rep, they kind of take more power to stop than the previous ones, and they're soft. They feel kind of soft and spongy, but maybe they'll get better as I drive on and as the brakes breaking. But brakes breaking. Okay, I'm gonna come to a stop. Drive and then brake. Not bad, not bad at all. But yeah, I'm heading back to my room. So far they work, so far so golden. I'll let you guys know how everything goes in the morning, but guys, I have to go to bed. Thank you all so much for watching this golden video. I will catch you guys. That was not a very good sound. I'll catch you guys on the next golden drive. Bye.